Okay, I'll be making a waterfall edge entryway table. Already marked it off, 30 inches for the legs. So 30 inches in from each side, about a 29-inch top. And just going to cut the edges at 45s, sand it down, do some corner braces, and do some staining, and that should be all it takes. One run with the belt sander. Don't want to take away all the character. So I had a little bit of gappage, so I filled it up with a little mixture of wood glue and the sawdust from the project. So when that's dried, I'm just going to sand it off, but it's looking pretty good. I got my live edge continuous waterfall entryway table. And I'm going to stain it tonight and be all done. Cut my holes for my dowels, glue them up, slip those in. Got it all lined up. Some pocket screws. Put a little backer board on this. Sanded the dowels off. I got my backer board there. So, reinforced dowels. Just the brackets for hardware. Just a little extra support.